You want to sell your home and you want to sell it fast. A lot of factors come into play, but you definitely have a lot to do with how long it takes to sell your home. Hi, I'm Ken. I've been a licensed real estate agent for more than 20 years. A lot of people have deadlines when it comes to selling their homes. They might need to relocate, they might need to sell before they buy a new home, but whatever the reason, almost everybody wants their house sold within a certain time frame, and it's usually sell my home fast. So whatever the market conditions, you need to price your home correctly. That's the most important thing. You've got to be realistic. Listen, I've heard this time after time. A lot of sellers think their home is the best house ever. Everybody wants top dollar, but you have to listen to the market, and you can't really depend on what Zillow says it's worth. You need to get a current comparative market analysis, or CMA. Real estate agents can do some research and run a report of comparable properties that have recently sold in your area. They should do that for free. It's not as simple as price per square foot. They might also look at pending home sales and other active listings, but it's the recently sold homes that really matter. Just because your neighbors have their house listed at a huge price doesn't mean they're going to sell it for that. Sellers often believe if they price their homes higher, they'll have some bargaining room. That's not a good pricing strategy. Buyers want a good deal. Listing your home for more than what it's worth will turn off potential buyers, and they'll just decide not to even look at your property. A higher listing price could put it just out of their budget, so it wouldn't even show up in their search. I've had a lot of sellers who want to throw a higher price out there and see if they get any bites. They say, let somebody make an offer, or we can always lower the price. Well, it doesn't really work that way, not usually. Here's the truth. Your home is most valuable for buyers the first day it hits the market. So if you price your home too high and then lower the price, even after a few weeks, you're going to miss that important window when the listing is new and fresh. And then buyers might wonder if something's wrong with the house. They might not even want to look at it. Then you might do another price reduction and give the impression that you're desperate. You might start getting lowball offers as your house lingers on the market. So if you want to sell your home fast, you have to price it right from the start. If you set the listing price just below market value, you're more likely to get offers right away compared with other comparable homes in your area. And you're more likely to get multiple offers. That's a great situation to be in, because then those competing buyers who've decided they want your house will be in a bidding war and raise their offers a lot of times above asking price. I can't tell you how many homes I've sold within just a few days or even one day by pricing it right and by doing these other things I'm about to share with you.
I will sell this house today.
You know how you get excited about a new movie or TV series when you see those coming soon teasers? Well, that can also help when you're selling your home. A coming soon sign in the front yard can build excitement, anticipation, and have potential buyers calling about your house before it even goes on the market. Your agent might even be able to put a coming soon listing in the MLS. Now make sure you've spruced up the outside first. Check your curb appeal. Make sure the landscaping looks great, the bushes are trimmed, the grass is mowed, new mulch always helps. As far as the house, be sure the gutters are clean. If you need to freshen up the paint, take care of that. Anything you can do to make the outside look updated and well maintained. Buyers want a house that's move-in ready, so on the inside, make sure it's super clean and decluttered. Take care of any maintenance issues. If buyers walk through and see problems, things that need to be fixed, they'll wonder what else might have been neglected. And you'll want to make sure your home is staged so buyers can see themselves living there. Staging can definitely help you sell your home faster and for a higher price. You can use a professional stager, but that's not always necessary. I've done other videos on staging your home on a budget and curb appeal. I'll put links down in the description. Remember, the outside of your home is the first impression that home shoppers will see online on Realtor.com, Zillow, and all the other websites they're searching. If you're listing your home with a real estate agent, check out their other listings and the photography. You want professional-looking images that showcase your home's best features inside and out. Drone photography is another great marketing tool, and buyers love video tours. So ask your real estate agent if they include that in their listing material. And get the word out on social media. Social media marketing can create a buzz and reach more potential buyers. All of that is critical if you want to sell your home fast. But most importantly, you need to remember how you price your home is directly related to how long your house is on the market.